States of matter.
As you know, there are 4 different states of matter. Some say it is solid, liquid, and gas. Those are the most commonly known 3 states of matter, and there is one which many people do not know, which is called plasma.
Plasma ball.
Solids are particles that are tightly packed and usually have a regular pattern. Solids are particles that do vibrate and generally do not move from place to place.
Liquids are the second state of matter. Like solids, they are condensed phase, but in liquids, the particles have more room to move around.
The third stage of matter is gas. Gas particles have no regular arrangement and move around freely. Gas particles move wherever they want and go very, very fast.
A solid retains a fixed volume and shape, and it's rigid, which means all the particles locked into place. Solids are not easily compressible, but they do have free space between particles. Trying to get comfortable. Solids do not flow, and their particles cannot move or slide past one another.
Liquids assume the part of the shape of the container in which it occupies, and the particles in a liquid can move and slide past one another. Like solids, liquids are not easily compressible because the particles in between have very little space. Liquids flow easily because the particles can move and slide past one another easily.
I like how
Gas takes the shape and the volume of its container because the particles can move past each other. Gas is compressible because there's a lot of free space between each of the particles. Gas flows easily because the particles can flow past one another.
And now, the 4th state of matter, called plasma. Wowie, wowie, wowie.
Owie wowie. That hurt you wrong time. That hurt you wrong time.
Ow! Ow!
That hurt you wrong time, son.
Wait to throw Rocky at me. Plasma, like gas, does not have a definite shape or volume. Owie wowie!
Oh,
Plasmas are a lot like gases, but atomically are much different. In a plasma, the molecules are broken up into free electrons and ions. It takes very special conditions to keep matter in the plasma state.
Lightning and stars are both made up of plasma. Lightning and stars are both made up of plasma.
Plasma can also be found in neon and fluorescent lights.
99% of the visible universe is made up of plasmas.
Plasma is a very efficient source of radiation. No, go, push. Holy crap!
Come on. Plasma was used in the making of the nuclear bomb.
And that concludes our presentation on the 4 states of matter. No, you have to hit it.
Dear students, happy Molde